Hey everyone, so this one is about beauty, about seeing the beauty in the world, seeing the beauty in nature, seeing the beauty in that which we are being convinced is not beautiful, that which we are being convinced we need to be frightened of. So this is just going to be a quick little reminder of where we are, what's going on, and how to light up those little beautiful parts of your life. Okay, so just breathe in. Actually, I've been listening to some of Russell Brand's breathing techniques lately, and one of the ones he does is and of course he does it for a few minutes, and the idea is that bit by bit we truly empty our lungs and get rid of all that stale air that's in our lungs, and it helps us to breathe more freely and helps to open our consciousness. He also does another one about Kundalini breathing, but anyway. So just closing your eyes, running your central meridian anti-clockwise over the heart, just tapping, tapping, tapping. Imagine every cell in your body raising its vibration. 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999. Run that central meridian, feeding that conscious brain. Hold your emotional stress release points. And breathing. So part of Dr. Zach's discussion this morning is that 97% of the earth on the planet has been denatured. So it's stopping the earth from breathing. So I want you to imagine the earth and imagine the lungs inside the earth, tilling the soil, moving that energy, adding that vibration to the microbiome and the biome and the fungi of the planet, allowing that flow of energy, sunshine to come down into the earth, life, oxygen, carbon dioxide to be released. We only have a raise in carbon dioxide in our atmosphere because we've lost the lungs of our planet. So we need to energetically feed the lungs of our planet, consciously breathe on this planet, consciously do what we can to have better lungs, better health, better vibration on this beautiful, beautiful planet of ours. Father Sun shining down on us. This is the 8th time in 800,000 years when our global planet heat has increased to this level. It started back in about 1960 this time for this next wave of energy. But of course what's happened since the 1950s is big agri, big tech, big pharma, and they're using the chemicals on the planet. It's like putting chemicals on our skin all day, every day, and stopping us from breathing. So just imagine for the moment that biome, that microbiome that's on the cell membrane that's feeding the lungs of this beautiful planet of ours. Imagine that biome, that microbiome feeling amazingly vibrant and healthy. What happens on our skin is happening on our planet. Do you suffer skin disorders? What's going on with your microbiome? Do you have lung disorders? What's going on with the biome and microbiome within your lungs, within your gut, within your detox organs? Breathe and breathe out. The lung energy runs down the inside of the arms, to the end of the thumb. So this is the lung meridian in Chinese medicine. I want you to see the earth as we're running this lung meridian. See the earth lighting up, allowing new life, new discoveries, new microbiome, new biome, more bacteria, more fungi, more life-giving biome energy that feeds the earth, that feeds the lungs, that feeds the oxygen into the planet and starts calming down the carbon dioxide. Dr. Zach was saying $9.99, $9.99, $9.99, $9.99, $9.99, $9.99. He was saying that only one season of farming can change the microbiome for the better. 3 seasons of farming can take the farm back to health that it hasn't been for 3 generations. We need to be supporting organic farming. We need to be supporting these growers who are trying to keep small farming communities going without genetic modification, without pesticides and herbicides. It takes 5 to 8 years to take a big pesticided farm back to the health of an organic farm. But there's 8 years in the meantime that actually it's somewhere between 5 and 8. I think it's 8 here in Australia. But somewhere in the meantime, we're already improving the health on the planet. Here in Australia, the maximum that's ever been sold organically is 3%. Support these farmers, support the health of your body, support the planet by eating organically, by purifying our water, by having the tanks on our lands, by allowing that to come straight from the heavens. Purify it before you drink it, because what is coming from the planets isn't purified at the moment.